Hello and welcome to this guided meditation to project love and positivity all around you. Start by getting comfortable. This can be done by sitting in a chair or lying on your back at a time when you will not be distracted. Breathe in for a count of 4. Hold for 4 seconds. And then exhale slowly for 4 more seconds. Keep repeating this until it falls into a natural pattern for you. Visualize a small white light emanating from your heart, from the center of your chest. You start to smile and feel a little happier. A warmth covers you, making you feel more relaxed. The little white light is now starting to expand, covering your chest and abdomen. The feeling of happiness feels more intense and starts to cover you. It expands to cover your arms and your legs and neck. Soon you are fully and safely covered head to toe in this loving white light. Now, the level of happiness you are feeling has turned to compassionate joy. It begins to fill the room and spread out. Your entire house is beginning to glow with exhilaration. You can now see it go into your family members, lifting their vibrations around them. They start to feel the happiness and light, start to shine from their hearts and expand like yours. The emanating light expands out of the house and across the lawn, bathed in light and flowers. Soon, it is rushing over to your neighbor's house until it is engulfing the whole neighborhood. You feel totally at peace. After a while, the light slowly starts to retract back towards you, through your neighbor's home, over your lawn, and into your house. The joy still stays intense and wonderful to you. As the light comes towards your family, the pure white light shining from their hearts starts to recede back into them. The light comes back over and into your body, starting from your head and feet, and slowly to your chest and abdomen, then just to your chest, and then back into your heart. The light fades back into you, but you still feel happy. You open your eyes, feeling refreshed and positive. You may use this meditation anytime you wish to project love and happiness out into the world. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation. Please subscribe to my channel and like my social media pages.